students. Today we are going to see about the unit 3 accounts of partnership. So in the previous class we have discussed about the theory point of view. Today we are going to discuss about exercise number 2 page number 112. So from the following information prepare capital account of partners Reuben and Devi when their capitals are fixed. So we have already discussed there are two types of capital, fixed capital and fluctuating capital. Under fixed capital method, we have to prepare two accounts, that is capital account and current account. So you have to prepare two accounts here, capital account and current accounts. In the sum, the capital as on 1/4/2018, 70,000 and 50,000. Then current account 1/4/2018, 25,000 and 15,000. Then additional capital introduced 18,000 and 16,000. Then drawings during the year 10,000, 6,000. So interest on drawings 500 and 300. The share of profit 35,000 and 25,800. So interest on capital 3,500 and 2,500. So salary, so Reuben nil, then 18,000. Then commission 12,000 nil. So we are going to prepare under fixed capital method. You have to open two accounts, that is capital account and current account. So here you have put a heading partners capital account, partners capital account. Then put a heading date, particulars, Reuben and Derry. Here date, particulars, Reuben and Derry. In the capital account, the capitals account are fixed. In the fixed capital method, the capital account are fixed. So in this fixed capital method, capital accounts, only three accounts should be appear. Opening balance plus additional capital introduced. If permanently withdrawn the capital, it should be shown on the debit side. So the three accounts should be appear in the partners capital account. The three accounts should appear in the partners capital account. ஏற்கனவே நம்ம சொல்லியிருக்கோம் பார்ட்னர்ஸ் கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட்டில் பொறுத்துள்ள ஃபிக்ஸட் கேபிட்டலில் ஸோ கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட் நம்ம கரண்ட் அக்கௌண்ட் ஓப்பன் பண்ணணும். ஸோ கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட்டில் மூணு வரும். ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸ், தென் அகைன் அடிஷ்னல் கேபிட்டல் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ்ட். இஃப் amount withdrawn, amount of capital withdrawn by the permanently withdrawn by the partners means it should be shown on the debit side. So in this sum, only additional capital and capital alone should be given. So capital and additional capital alone given, these two should be appear on the capital account. So here by balance B by D, by balance B by D 70,000 and 50,000. Then additional capital, so by bank account debtor to partners capital. So in the partners capital we have recorded as a by bank 18,000 and 16,000. So you have to balance it. So 88,000 here, 66,000. The same amount should be carried out on the debit side. So to balance C by D, to balance C by D. ஸோ இதில் வந்து ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அடிஷ்னல் கேபிட்டல் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன போட்டுறோம் அப்படின்னா பை பேலன்ஸ் பி பை டின்னு போட்டுறோம். ஸோ அடிஷ்னல் கேபிட்டலுக்கு நம்ம என்ன போடுறோம் அப்படின்னா என்ட்ரி வந்து பேங்க் அக்கௌண்ட் டெட்டா டு ரூபன்ஸ் கேபிட்டல், டெரிஸ் கேபிட்டல். ஸோ அதை என்ன செய்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா பை பேங்க்னு போட்டுட்டு ஸோ 18,000 16,000 போட்டுட்டு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணி முடிச்சிடுறோம். ஸோ த கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட் ஆர் ஓவர். The next one is partners current account. Partners current account. In this sum, the partners current account balances are also given on 1st April 2018. Here within bracket the credit balances are given. The credit balances are given. So 25,000 and 15,000. It should be shown on the partners current account. Partners current account. Partners current account particulars Reuben and Derry. Here by balance B by D. By balance B by D 25,000 and 15,000. 25,000 and 15,000. Here we have already discussed while theory point of view. So debit side பொறுத்தவரை drawings and interest on drawings தவிர வேற எதுவுமே இங்க வராதுன்னு நம்ம சொல்லியிருக்கோம். Whether it is a capital account or current account, on the debit side the drawings and interest drawings alone should be appear on the debit side of the either capital account or current account. All other items should appear on the credit side. All other items should be appear on the credit side. So இங்கே சம்பளம் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா அடிஷ்னல் கேபிட்டல் போட்டாச்சு, கரண்ட் அக்கௌண்ட் போட்டாச்சு. ஸோ drawings during 18 வந்து 10,000 and 6,000. This should appear on the debit side of the current account. Then interest on drawing 500, 300. This also should be appear on the debit side of the current account. These two items should appear on the credit side of the debit side of the current account. Here drawings, interest on drawings. The next one is share of profit. Share of profit, then interest on capital, salary, commission. All these items should appear on the credit side of the current account. All these items should be appear on the credit side of the current account. By share of profit should be shown as by profit and loss appropriation account. அதனால தான் highlight பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ அங்கே share of profit அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்கிறத நம்ம என்ன கொண்டு வரணும் அப்படின்னா by profit and loss appropriation account 35,000 and 25,800. Then by interest on capital 3,500 and 2,500. Then by salary, here Ruben nil, here 18,000. Then by commission, here 12,000, here nil. So இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா the balance amount வந்து எங்கே வேணாலும் வரலாம், either debit balance or credit balance வரலாம். ஸோ இந்த சம்மை பொறுத்துள்ள ஸோ நம்மளுக்கு பேலன்சஸ் வந்து டோட்டல் வந்து கிரெடிட் சைடில் தான் அதிகமாக வருது. ஸோ 75,500, here 61,300. The same amount should be carried out here, 75,500 and 61,300. So you have to balance it. The balance amount is 2 balance C by D 65,000 and here 55,000. It should be carried forward by balance B by D 65,000 and 55,000. Okay. The next sum, exercise 3, page number 113. Arun and Selvam are partners. Arun and Selvam are partners who maintain their capital accounts under fixed capital method. From the following particulars, prepare capital account of the partners. From the following particulars, prepare capital account of the partners. So fixed capital method means you have to prepare two accounts, that is capital account and current account. So capital as on 1st January 2,20,000 and 1,50,000. And current account 4,250, 10,000. Here two balances are given. For Arun, debit balance should be given. For Selvam, credit balances should be given. So on the Arun, you have to debit balance means 2 balance B by D for Arun. Then Selvam by balance B by D for Selvam in the current account. Then additional capital is given only for Selvam. Additional capital only given for Selvam. Then withdrew for personal use means drawings. Withdrew for personal use means drawings 10,000 and 20,000. Then interest on drawing, share of profit. We can take it as a share of profit as profit and loss appropriation account. Then interest on capital, commission and salary. So here the capital is 2,20,000 and 1,50,000. Then additional capital Selvam alone 70,000. So you have to open two account, that is capital account. Capital account 1/1/2018. By balance B by D 2,20,000 and 1,50,000. So additional capital by Selvam. So bank account debtor to Selvam's capital by bank 70,000. So you have to total it. Total it 2,20,000. Here 2,20,000. So on the debit side, two balance C by D 2,20,000 and 2,20,000. You have to balance it. So the balance of capital account is by balance B by D 2,20,000 and 2,20,000. Then current account, then partners current account. Here opening balances are given. So Arun, the opening balance is on the debit side. So 2 balance B by D, Arun 4,250. Here Selvam credit balances are given. By balance B by D, by balance B by D, Selvam 10,000. Then here the two items appear in the debit side of the current account. Drawings and interest on drawing alone should appear. Here the drawing is 10,000 and 20,000. The interest on drawing is 750 and 600. These two items alone only appear in the current account debit side. So the balance, all the items should appear on the credit side of the current account. Here by share of profit, you can call it as profit and loss appropriation account 22,000 and 15,000. Then interest on capital 1,100, then 750. Then commission for only around 6,900 and salary only for Selvam 6,850. Here also the credit side total is heavier. So the total of the Arun is 30,000 and the total of the Selvam is 32,600. This amount should be carried out on the debit side, 30,000 and 32,600. You have to balance the Arun account. Here the 15,000 is balanced, that is 2 balance C by D is 15,000. Here the Selvam balance is 12,000. So you have taken as a balance on the credit side 1118 by balance B by D, here 15,000 and 12,000. These are the two sums we can discuss how we can prepare in the capital account. How can prepare in the capital account. Then next on the third sum. The next third sum. So exercise 4 page number 113. Exercise 4 page number 113. From the following information prepare capital account of partners and Batmini and Batma where their capitals are fluctuating. So when the capitals are fluctuating means you have to prepare only the capital account alone. In case of fixed capital, we have to prepare two accounts, that is capital account and current account. When the capitals are fluctuating means you have to prepare only one account, that is partners capital account. Here date, particulars, Batmini and Batma. Here date, particulars, Batmini and Batma. In the sum, so capital on 1st January 2018, 5 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Then again drawings during the year 70,000, 40,000, then interest on drawing 2,000, then 1,000, then share of profit, we can call it as profit and loss appropriation account 52,000 and 40,000, then interest on capital 3,000, 24,000, then salary 45,000 nil, then commission nil 21,000. You already discussed in the debit side only two items should appear on the capital account or current account, that is drawings and interest on drawings. Drawings and interest on drawings alone should appear on the debit side of the capital account or current account. So do drawings 70,000 and 40,000. So two interest on drawings 2,000 and 1,000. Here all other items should appear on the credit side of the capital account. So the opening capital is 5 lakhs and 4 lakhs. So by balance B by D, 5 lakhs and 4 lakhs. Then all other items should appear on the credit side or the credit side, that is by two share of profit. We can call it as by profit and loss appropriation account, by interest on capital, by salary and by commission. So by profit and loss appropriation account 52,000 and 40,000. Then by interest on capital 30,000 and 24,000. Then by salary 45,000 and here nil, then by commission here nil, here 21,000. So you have to balance it. The total is 6,27,000. Here 4,85,000. So the balance should be carried forward on the debit side. 6,27,000 and 4,85,000. The balance amount is 5,55,000 and 4,44,000. The same amount should be carried out by the credit side by balance B by D, 5,55,000 and 4,44,000. So idoda capital account mudinjichu. We can discuss in the next class. Thank you.